Hello viewers, and this is yet another episode on Skhiya TV. Today on our show we have the man himself, Skhiya Keyz.
I'm so shy of the camera, guys. It's not even funny. But
how are you, sir, today?
hey, I'm sexy. It's old days. I'm sexy, bro. Like you can see me. I'm fresh. I'm wearing my uniform, so everything is pashash, though. You know.
Okay, so could you please tell us more about who Skhiya Keyz actually really is?
Oh, Skhiya Keyz is actually my nickname, but my name is Sakhile Mabaso. But then again, Skhiya Keyz Kitchen. Skhiya Keyz is like a name which I got Emachanandi in Malaysia South. So, you know, Abu Taki is Skhiya because of my dancing, the gay pocha. And then the Indians couldn't say Skhiya, so they used to say Keyz. So mixing that two became Skhiya Keyz, I would say.
Okay, Skhiya Keyz, tell us about yourself in both as a social person and as a business person.
Yo, Bafetu, the one thing that drove me into business, dog, is to actually feed a nation, you know. For me, it's not about money or business or anything. It's about pushing the love, showing everybody the love that you have when it comes to food, you know. So for me, I would say the personalities, the difference would be... What was the question again?
Good to tell us about yourself as Skhiya. Tell us about Skhiya as a social person and Skhiya as a businessman, you know. With Skhiya unjani
business. I'm the meanest person ever. As a business person, I'm the meanest person ever. If you don't believe me, ask Uchaman.
I testify.
But then again, being a businessman, you just need to focus, discipline, always be one step ahead, you know.
Yeah.
For me now, I would say I plan things ahead. With the team that I have, I'm so blessed. So I can't show anything about the business because it's a collective thing. It's not about me being a business person, but it's about the team that I have that I'm driving into a certain goal, you know. So yeah, man.
So Skhiya Keyz is your business, right?
Yeah.
It's a kitchen. I was telling about this Skhiya Keyz, the whole concept. Skhiya Keyz.
So basically, because this is YouTube, so I'm just gonna be honest. So basically, there's something we call munchies. So basically, Skhiya Keyz is created from munchies. So you know, when you come back home, if my fellow stoners understand me, they would understand this and they would get it. So when you come back home, you open up a fridge and then there's everything, the bit pieces of everything, you know. Yesterday is horse, day before yesterday is gravy, day before yesterday is chicken or steak, whatever. You mix all of those things into one, you make your munchies meal, and then you are set to go. For me, it came to a point where I had to do it professionally, and I had to do it in such a way that it would appeal to people. So for me, the food space would be me mixing a bit of everything. It's Nomayini, from everywhere, from whatever. Then you mix it together, sandwich maker, umnandi.
Okay, and in your business you also included a channel which is currently new. How did you come about a channel for your whole business?
So basically, the channel, how it came about, Skhiya TV. So there's Skhiya TV, there's Skhiya Keyz Kitchen, there's Skhiya Movies, there's Skhiya Radio. So it's I've learned something from Americans, you know, that you don't have to have one source of income. Yeah. So in such respect, I was thinking to myself, okay, how do we grow as a person? Because in fast food industry, we face by Mampara, we have to do something with that time. So like I've always said, I'm my own marketer, my own model, my own what. So we also had to come up with a way of promoting the business, you know. So that's how Skhiya TV was born. Skhiya TV basically is based on music, as we are a musical kitchen. It's based on comedy because it's Salasquarana every day. If you can come through and spend a day with us in the kitchen, you will probably hate us. You will probably hate us because Salasquarana. Like even now I'm having a banquara with my go-to. So it's one of the same things.
Oh yeah.
Shut up. And I know what you're gonna ask. Yes. So yeah, I would say. So we go team.
Go T.
Go team. We're on an interview, but people. But my thing is that like it's always about comedy, it's about music, it's all about a band, you know, it's all about soccer because we are situated in a soccer crowd. So yeah, I would say that's what makes me. That's the type of businessman I am. I'm the meanest, but sharp and always on point. We are going somewhere. Like I always say, we're rich.
Oh, so Skhiya TV, it's not necessarily concentrated on Skhiya Keyz. It's concentrated in actually Ikasi as a whole.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh,
it's just that they do connect at some point. You understand? They do connect, but at the end of the day, it's not about me because we have people. We promote a lot of businesses. We go a lot of places like Kofifi. We visit a lot of local businesses like Lophonics, Kota King. You know, there's so much businesses out here. Like I always say, there's no competition in food. You understand? So Skhiya TV basically is to showcase talent as a Kasi, entrepreneurship as a Kasi, and everything that you can find in Kasi. So it's only we're still going there, slowly but surely.
Also, Skhiya TV is just a platform to showcase whatever they can showcase.
Yeah. So basically, it's all about business. It's all about music. Yeah, it's all about the cast. I know that we at the moment we're just focusing on businesses in Protea North, South, Protea Clan, from extension 1 until extension 50. But that's us. So if you want to be a part of the channel, you're more than welcome to inbox us. You find us on Skhiya TV, find us on Skhiya Kitchen, you find us on Instagram. You see, whenever you see this logo, just know what it Riasha Shainam Sbong. Ki flavor with Ki Nomayini, Ki Nsotamnati. There's no better way of saying Ki flavor. So this is one of the brands that we're pushing on Skhiya TV. And Nomayini, Amatrets. Hello, our biggest chef here, Travel Baker. But yeah, man, thank you very much for taking your time and checking us out. Like I said, on all social media platforms, Skhiya TV, Skhiya Kitchen, everything, even on YouTube. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That's bomb. Coming up, Tata.